Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really cool piece to show you today. So this is the Alexander McQueen Python ring clutch, and it's just so cool. You can see we've got this like ring style knuckle ring style top handle with that iconic little Alexander McQueen skull on there, and I think with this crystal on it, it's just super blingy, super glam, really cool. A definite standout party piece, especially if you're into that kind of like rock chick look. So we've got that ring style top handle, we've got python skin leather, and then it is just a hinge closure, so that pops open like that. We've got a leather interior there. So the condition of this one, we've called it good all around. You can see that that python skin is still in a lovely condition. There's just some areas where there's a bit of wear, a bit of lifting, or a bit of creasing, especially little bits of lifting in areas on those corners. The hardware, you can see that it's got that kind of rusticy, antique-y look to it. Often that is a purposeful thing, because it gives it, again, that little bit of a rusticy look to it. We've called it good just in case you don't want to expect super shiny, smooth hardware and then it's a little bit more rusticy looking. So that is why we've called the hardware good. The interior, again, we've called good. There's just a little bit of marking on that leather interior. So you can see we've got a bit of a scratch just here on that leather. But other than that, actually, it is in a very nice condition in there. So that is the condition of this little ring clutch. It comes with just the Alexander McQueen dust bag, and if you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. So that link is the link to shop this exact clutch on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link, if you go onto our website and it isn't there and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if this is something that you're looking out for, again, if you're into that kind of rock chick glam look, let us know and we can get you on our request list. All you have to do is send us over an email, fill out the contact us form on our website, we'll get you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in one like it, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through a link to shop and you can have a look at it nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website. If you wanted me to I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and again, it's really nice and easy, and I like that it has a ring clutch, a ring top handle actually as well, because it makes it nice and easy to grip, to hold on to, and you just want to wear this all evening. It is really cool, a definite party piece, going out piece. Yeah, very, very cool. So if you would like more details on it, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop again. So while you're on our website, have a look at this, have a look at all of our other beautiful Armcandy as well. Sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. If you've got any Armcandy that you would like to sell, we'd love to see what we've got for us. So have a read through that page and have a read through the process. Like this video if you are a bag lover like us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. We've got new cool pieces to show you almost every day, so hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.